Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just simply erase all your data in your smartphone if you want to make a new photos videos on your phone and want to just delete all old photos, videos and all your data in your phone, and how you can fix it. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like the video for more videos. So let's start. First, go to the settings option in your smartphone, then swipe down. You can search in the search bar. Just swipe down, you can see there is a general management option. Then press on reset and then reset, factory reset, data reset, and just click on the reset option. It will be factory data reset. It will erase all your data in your phone simply. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.